Hi you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Adisha and I make videos related to lifestyle, beauty and self-help. Watch my video till the end, and if you like my content, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel down below. Also let me know which type of videos you would like to see next. In today's video, I am going to be swatching the Smashbox Always On lipsticks. It comes in more than 30 shades, and out of those shades I have 9 shades with me. So I'm going to be swatching all those 9 shades for you guys. So why Smashbox Always On lipstick? Because I absolutely love these lipsticks. They are non-transfer proof and it comes in handy, especially in this pandemic. And yeah, the formula is amazing. They are super soft and it does not feel very dry on your lips. So it's very comfortable to wear. I will not say that these lipsticks don't get smudged at all. If you really try hard to smudge the lipstick, yes, it will get smudged. But if you will try it on your hand very softly, it won't get smudged. So under your mask, they will be really very convenient. Let me just show you an example of how much it gets smudged. So this is my clean hand. Now I will not cut the video and I will just show you if it gets transferred to my hand or not. See, it didn't get transferred at all. So yeah, under your mask it will be really very convenient, but if you try to smudge it like this, it will get smudged a little, which should be negligible in comparison to the cream lipsticks that we use. So I will any day choose these liquid lipsticks over any other liquid lipsticks. So all of the lip shades that I have, these are matte lip shades, and I think they look really very classy. All of the shades that I have, I absolutely love them and I would wear them any day. Out of these lip shades, if you like any of the lip shades, you can definitely purchase it from Nykaa. It is easily available, and plus Smashbox always keeps running different offers, so you can also get them on great discounts. One more thing that I would like to mention is that Smashbox is a high-end brand, so it will not be available easily on your nearby stores, but it will be available on Nykaa and online easily. It is a little bit pricier. For starters, you can invest in mini lipsticks. You get a set of 2, I guess, in $9.90 or sometimes 1,090 rupees. So yeah, and in discounts you will also get it for cheaper prices as well. I personally don't regret a single penny I spent on them. I absolutely love these lipsticks, and I think I've mentioned it a lot. So let's just dive right into this video. these were the swatches of the lip shades that I own. If you are someone who is listening about this lipstick for the first time, I would highly recommend this lipstick to you. The formula is amazing, the colors are so vibrant, and I love each and every shade that I have purchased till now, and I'm sure other shades won't disappoint me as well. So yeah, you can totally check these lip shades out. I really love them. I've said this 100 times. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, make sure that you like this video if you like it, and share this video to other friends who might be looking for new lip shades. And do let me know in the comment section which type of videos you would like to see more. I would really appreciate your feedbacks as well. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.